Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Muhammad Jahid Hassan. I'm an English language teacher. So right now I'm going to talk about a word. The word is academic. It's noun and also adjective. So the meaning of this word is শিক্ষা বিষয়ক, শিক্ষাবিদ বা তাত্ত্বিক. The students return in October for the start of new academic year. She was not very academic and hated school. It's a purely academic question. The distinction being made is purely academic. In Britain, the academic year runs from October to July. They publish academic books. The government has set up a committee of industrialists and academics to advise it. So I'm going to drill two sentences from here. The students return in October for the start of the new academic year. The students return in October now for the start of the new academic year. The student return in October now for the new academic year. The students return in October for the new academic year. The students return in October for the new academic year. এটা হচ্ছে শিক্ষার্থীরা নতুন শিক্ষাবর্ষ শুরু হওয়ায় অক্টোবর মাসে ক্লাসে ফিরে আসবে। She was not very academic and hated school. 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 সে পড়াশোনায় খুব ভালো ছিল না এবং স্কুলও অপছন্দ করত। Thank you very much.